Hello everyone. Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Weird question asked by media. I'll say one is very common and very, not very, but yeah, a bit annoying is when you are dating someone, they want to know all the details about the person and when are you getting married. And it's like, छोड़ दो ना, मतलब उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है इसमें personal life. And if you're not dating and if you yeah, you broke up with someone, they want to know the reason behind it. Why did you break up? Like, what is it? What's happening? And when you ask them, I don't want to talk about it, it's my personal life, they're like, no, but fans wants to know. They need the answer. And I'm like, nobody needs this answer. It's fine. So yeah, this is one thing which is a bit annoying. Second, this had happened with me a lot of time. Matlab, especially to small towns. And when I went to UP, Bihar, and those places. So the media will come. They will be having, what do you call it? Some एक पेपर दिया जाता है उनको where they have the details of the event or whatever is happening. So I was in Patna, I still remember it. They all come, they are reading it, and then they're sitting silently in front of me. And they're not asking any question, and I'm like, what's happening? So, and then the guy who was the event guy said, please ask your questions about. So the press guy said, तो अपने बारे में बताइए, आप कौन हैं? And I was like, what? हाँ, अपने बारे में बताइए. And this had happened with me multiple times to all these areas. Wherever you go, they don't have anything to ask, so they're like, तो अपने बारे में बताइए. And I was like, okay. मेरा नाम कुंवर अमरजीत सिंह है. मैं एक एक्टर एंड डांसर हूँ. And I'm like blabbering about myself. So this has been like really funny and annoying as well. That wow. तो मतलब करने क्या आए थे आप लोग? So yeah, this was one thing which has been really funny, and it still happens at times. Like I've been to my hometown recently, not my hometown but my village in UP, and the same thing happened. Like अपने बारे में बताइए. And then yeah, nowadays they want to, a lot of people who think reality shows are negative. And मिक्सिंग होती, प्लानिंग होती है, प्लॉटिंग होती है, ये सब होता है. दे विल ऑलवेज आस्क यू कि आपको क्या लगता है कि रियलिटी शो फिक्स है या नहीं है. सो यू टेल देम नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है. नहीं, लेकिन हमें तो न्यूज़ है कि वो पैसे लेते हैं और ऐसा हो रहा है, वैसा हो रहा है. नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता. नहीं, लेकिन हमें तो पता है, हमारे सोर्सेज ने बताया रियलिटी शो फिक्स है. तो या तो हम हाँ कर दें, और अगर हमने हाँ कर दी तो उस पर एक नई कहानी शुरू हो जाएगी. सो आंसर कहीं भी चाहिए नहीं, पता नहीं कहाँ पे ख़त्म होगा. सो दिस ऑल्सो हैज़ बीन अ वेरी like a lot of people ask question. One thing I don't understand, which is my next thing, that when there is, maybe it's because everyone wants to shoot the same thing. So when you go to an event or anywhere in a award function and there are 10 media houses or newspapers, so the one person will come and they have their other people are also having their camera. They'll ask one question, you tell them, goes off. Second person come, ask the same question, goes off. Third person come, ask the same question, goes off. And I'm like, you have just been listening to this, you don't have a new question with you. And I'm like, okay. And as an actor, you're just repeating it. So yeah, I've been trying to do my short film and we're gonna release it soon. Yeah, I've been doing a short film and this is a very good short film, and yeah, it's gonna release soon. Yeah, so we are working on a short film. And you feel like a stupid person that how many times you're giving the same information, because you're watching your interview on YouTube or wherever, or any link, you're watching the same thing. अच्छा, इसमें ऐसे बोला था, इसमें ऐसे बोला था, इसमें ऐसे बोला था, और इसमें बाल बिगड़ गए थे. लेकिन because we don't have anything else to notice, because we know हमने क्या बोला है. So yeah, that has been one thing which is very funny for me. Also एक incident हो गया था मेरे साथ. That is not a question, but that's मे बी इसके मतलब ये सुनकर मेरे पे कुछ बवाल भी हो सकता है. बट एक बार मेरे साथ ऐसा इंसिडेंस हो गया था. वहाँ पे मुझे लगा था कि यार दिस वॉज वेरी रॉन्ग. आई वेंट टू अ अवार्ड फंक्शन and outside where the media stands and they click pictures and videos. So my photographs happens and then I had to go for the video bite. but there was one artist standing, so I was waiting because I've been asked to. And then suddenly, I didn't realize, I didn't see back. Saif Ali Khan arrives with I don't know at that moment. It's like talking about 4 years back, and suddenly I moved away because I thought that's his turn. And I was standing where the media is standing. So media is here and I'm standing right here. Suddenly one photographer came and he didn't realize, or by mistake he said, "Hey, side mein hat." And I was like, I turned back and I said, "Dude, don't talk like this. Say pyar se, I don't mind. And media standing there, why are you coming here?" And he's like, "You know who am I? I am this, I am that." And I'm like, whoever you are, let's talk in a proper manner. I mean, whoever you are. And just किसी ने उतना सुना, next media ने, and everyone bounced on me. How dare you insulting to media? How are you talking like this? How can you say that? This, and suddenly it became an issue, and I'm like, there was nothing. It's just a conversation between me and a guy, and it could have been taken really easily. सब लोगों को पता चल गया. Then Video Bites वालों को पता चल गया. And next day there was a news in Bombay Times, I guess, that Kuwar behaves really weird with media, misbehave with media because he was not ready to move out and give space to Saif Ali Khan because he thinks he's bigger than Saif Ali Khan. And I was like, what? That was not the topic. So yeah, this was the issue. My PR said, just avoid, and I was like, okay, fine, because I know I couldn't do anything about it. So yeah, this is one thing which is little annoying, that the media should also listen to the other side before judging anybody or posting it anywhere, because it did not affected me, but it can affect anybody else, and it can go in a different manner and anything can happen. So yeah, this was one thing which is little, there can be improvement. Hi guys, this is Kuwar Amar and you're watching me on iwmbuzz.com.